Hello friends, I'm here for a real moment. We got Leo over here nibbling on some grass. I got some cats out behind me. Just picked up Leo's poop. Got my pet walking bag on, and it is so beautiful out, like nature, right? Where are you going, sir? I'm gonna do a little yoga, okay? So I'm just in this wide open space above me. It's like this open space in between all the trees in my driveway, basically. And I looked up and I was like, this is the perfect time to do a little flow. So do it with me. Take a deep breath in, bring your arms up overhead, look up wherever you are. Cactus your arms, open your chest, pull your shoulder blades together. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, let your arms flow down. Gaze down to the ground. Take another deep breath in. Just notice how your body feels. Let's do that again. We'll add a little layer to it. Inhale, arms up overhead, reaching back as you exhale. Open your chest. Look up to the sky. Cactus those arms, shoulder blades together. Breathe in again, reach those arms up, and this time as you breathe out, begin to fold forward. Soften your knees. Let your arms float down and hang in front of you. Go only as far as is comfortable in your body at this moment. And then as you inhale again, lift halfway. I'm gonna take this bag off. Lift halfway, bring your hands to your thighs. I'm gonna turn sideways so you can see, hopefully. Hands to your thighs, pull your elbows in and up towards the ceiling or the sky, and then exhale, release forward again. Notice if you can go farther. For me, I was like, oh God, that opened up a lot. I can reach even farther now. This time, inhale, reach up high. Arms up overhead. Exhale, cactus those arms, lean back. Open the chest. Inhale, reach back for the sky. As you come up tall, exhale, fold forward. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathing in as you roll up. Breathing out as you open your chest, leaning back. Inhale back to center. Exhale, folding forward. A little bit here. Inhale, coming back up, reaching your arms up overhead. Exhale, leaning back. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rising back, arms up overhead. Oh, there's my landlord. I gotta go. Bye-bye. Let's wrap that up. Take another deep breath in. Close your eyes. Feel into your body. Notice what feels different from when you started this a few minutes ago. No judgment. Just what feels different. Maybe it feels better, maybe it doesn't. But notice where you are in your body in this moment. Take another deep breath in. Gently exhaling. And may you find moments to pause like this throughout your day. Whether you take a giant flow like that out in the middle of wherever you are, or just pause to open up a little bit. Bring awareness to your body. Say hi to Leo, and bye to Leo. Leo, you take a moment to pause and breathe with everyone, or are you too busy inhaling some popcorn? All right, we're off.